Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are good. In today's videos guys, I want to show you guys how I cook my okra soup. So please, you guys should stay with me till the end. As you can see guys, I am slicing the okra. I'm just taking my time to slice the okra very well. So after I slice the okra, I now slice the pepper, the fresh pepper. So the fresh pepper, I also slice it very tiny because I don't want to blend it. So just slice it like this. After I finish slicing the pepper, I slice the spinach. So yeah, I finished slicing the spinach. In the spinach, I add salt and hot water. So I just leave it for like 5 minutes. So after some 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I will remove it from that hot water. So yeah, as you can see guys, I've already put the meat on fire. So yeah, I'm adding my palm oil. Then I stir it. So after adding my palm oil, I allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. Then I add my okra. So I allow it to cook for like 2 minutes. So I put my spinach. You guys know vegetables does not need to cook that much. So I just add my spinach. Guys, read the face of the soup now. Look at it now. Look at how appetizing it looks like. Very yummy. You guys should look at it now. This soup is very sweet. Very sweet. So I just had my spinach. Then I will add my fish. Pre-boiled fish. So I remove it before because if I leave it, it will just scatter. So I have to remove it. So now I'm adding it back. So I just stir it again for some minutes. You guys should see it now. Thanks for watching guys. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, comment.